Hi, I'm Lynda Reeves.
And I'm Brian Gluckstein.
And we're at the Idea Show in Toronto, walking the floor to show you the best of the best, right?
Yes, it's the latest trends, what's happening in the design world, and I think we should go take a look at it all.
Yeah, let's go.
I love these shows because I love the fact that we can see all this new product
It's pretty
and
cool.
new furniture and new finishes and things like that. So that's cool.
Especially because you don't get out much.
Yeah, well, they're all here. Yeah, I don't get out much, but they're all here and one beautiful.
Look at this. Okay, let's go look at Caesarstone.
Love the light fixture too.
Yeah, I like this counter.
It's getting better and better. I just love the finish. Look at that finish.
And I like this. I like the thickness of this waterfall. It's good.
Beautiful. The finishes are getting better and better, aren't they? It's nice to see a booth where they just don't have slabs, but they really have an installation.
Yeah.
I think that really helps, especially on Consumer Day.
Yeah, because
it's really important.
It's inspiring, right?
Yes. Very
and
cool.
what do you think of this outdoor kitchen? That's pretty nice. Do you think that's outdoor?
Yeah, that is the biggest thing we're doing right now, is outdoor kitchens. And you just have to, we use a lot of the integrated sinks like that are not stainless steel for outdoors. They hold up a lot better.
It's nice.
You just have to make sure you use cabinets that are marine proof.
Are these really outdoor?
We're doing some crazy outdoor kitchens.
Fantastic.
Crazy outdoor kitchens. But what we also are doing is we're doing them with concealed, almost like a shutter that comes down in the winter and it shutters it up so it's not exposed to the snow and ice. We're getting more and more clients asking for non-stainless steel sinks.
Right.
And even not fire clay.
Yeah.
Because of maybe some scratching or chipping.
A softer look.
So this is so great, and I wanted to see this white one because we're doing a kitchen right now and the client said, I want a white sink. And the texture is very forgiving. See that texture? It almost has a stone finish.
It's soft, like it's not going to break things.
So I'm doing this exact setup where the client wants a white sink and a white faucet to disappear. She said that is not the focal point for my kitchen. I love the colored sinks. I think that is a real...
I love that.
I don't want to say trend because I think it's going to be here for a while. And it's so great because if you have big things that you're washing or you drop something, it's not going to chip.
And it doesn't look like stainless is unforgiving. You have to wash it 5 times and it marks and stains. These are cool.
Very cool.
These drains.
I use this. I use all of these things, especially that protects the bottom.
When you do dishes, you mean?
The occasion when I place a dish in the sink.
Full of it when he does dishes.
But look at the black sink
let's
also.
go see.
I love that. And the black faucets are so cool.
This is a beautiful faucet, and I really like what they've done here.
Yes.
So this is a different material, or the same as their counter material?
I think that's the same as the countertop material.
Pretty nice.
This is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see all the new Blanco sinks.
And here you are.
And here I am. What else do they have?
What else?
That
this was
is
pretty
cool.
brilliant. Fun.
Oh, so you can just move it along.
And the cutting board.
That's so cool. And there's drainage in the bottom, so if they're wet, the water goes right through.
Yeah.
I love all the gadgets for the sinks. I really do. Okay, I wanted to see this table.
So you'd heard about it?
I heard about it. I saw a picture of this and a coffee table, and I said, I love the idea of the smoke glass. Beautiful color. Almost reminds me of a car, like an Aston Martin interior.
And even the way they've
like
upholstered and stitched is very much like a car interior.
And look at the metal. Instead of being a chrome, it's in that sort of charcoal metal.
You've done a nice job. I love that display. I think that's really well done.
Beautiful. It's like a store.
I have some of that stuff at home, and I'm loving it. Oh, that's for your sweet and low.
Your sweet and low or your sugar?
Yeah, for your little packets.
And then your cream.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
Very nice.
I love good design.
Me
and
too.
simple.
So this is cute for your cottage. This is compact.
That's about the oven we need.
Oh, look at this.
That's
this is
cool.
Beautiful.
So this is flat packed and assembled. It's beautiful. I love the finishes.
Look at the sleeping loft.
I was just looking at
what
that.
What happens when you have to get up in the middle of the night?
But really, you're spending most of the time outside.
That could be your guest room.
Exactly.
That's right. It's prefab.
And I heard it's 72 hours and they can assemble.
Put it out. Yeah.
So it's interesting, the plywood interior.
It's beautiful. It smells great. It's very natural.
Good design, nice and clean.
Design. Nice counters, feel like stone.
Skylights.
Well, I like this one too. Hey, that's nice.
For the dishes, because they have no uppers, so all your dishes go down here. Very cool.
Very
cool space. So can you just press one of those and open it?
You could, yes.
Like the old-fashioned way?
Yep.
And is it all solar, so it's not hooked up to the electricity?
Exactly.
That's
exactly.
fantastic.
So completely off the grid.
I like that idea. That's great for the cottages.
Yes. Light. I thought you were going to say licorice.
Cake.
I find it fascinating that you love kitchens.
I do love kitchens.
Yeah.
I do love, because I like to eat.
Yes.
But I do love to sit at the island when Gary's cooking and we're talking. I'm reading the newspaper.
Yeah.
So I do love being in the kitchen.
Yeah, this is cool.
I love this. I love this
Cool
material.
because look how practical. And yet it just, ooh.
Gorgeous.
Ooh, this makes me want to fill it up.
Yes.
Oh.
But you know what's interesting? We're seeing we've seen the trend of white kitchens for so long. This is almost for that same person because it's either white or black. And I think it's really, really cool.
Oh, it's a hood. Oh, it's a hood.
So what is this material?
Porcelain. It's nailed from Spain.
Oh, it's great.
Is that the same as the counter material?
You can use this as a counter.
Is that what this is?
That's Caesarstone.
That's Caesarstone. The sinks are really, I mean, they're
Designed.
like the thing now. You can't just have a regular old sink. You got to have
So you can
something
put your
that does everything. Your sponges.
composting
and
is in
your
here.
compost. How do you know this?
Because it's green.
Okay, all right, it's green.
No handles. So this is for the modern kitchen.
Yes. Ooh, nice.
So we've got the
This has the light inside.
Yes.
It does.
Do you know why it has a light inside?
No, why does it have a light?
Because Mrs. Mealy, Dr. Mealy's wife, one day said, "Why is it so dark in your dishwashers? Why don't you put a light inside?"
So they put a light inside.
Takes a woman.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
But you know what's interesting? We are even putting dishwashers at this height.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
What
and
a good idea.
We had a client that asked us to put a dishwasher at this height because she said it was difficult for her to bend down and load the dishwasher.
That's brilliant.
So we did this, and we did the counter beside it, and we did a pantry wall. We did an integrated dishwasher like this. So for her, it was easy to take the dishes out and
that's
just put it
brilliant.
in there. Isn't that the best?
That's what we're going to do from now on. We have to talk about those black frames for shower stalls because we're going to be doing trends on Sunday. And black
Right.
windows is going to be a whole discussion.
It's so interesting because we went to all this frameless shower.
Yeah.
And then this came back, and I really like this. I like the black. It has to be really well done.
It does.
And it's great if you mix it with the black plumbing fixtures.
Very compact. Look at this little sink.
That is really
You know, all these small sinks and small appliances make me feel like it's all I need.
I know.
in a
The more you see it and how
cabin,
efficient it's
condo,
done.
yeah.
Because you still have your storage underneath.
It's great.
Look at all that.
Yeah.
It's
really
very
cool.
well done.
Yeah,
So if
and
you
I'm
don't
sure
want
that-
a shower curtain and
Yeah.
you want to shower, the nice thing is if you have a fixed
Yeah.
one, you're bathing in a cubicle.
Yeah. And I'm
At least
sure
this
that
way you can fold it
in
away.
a permanent installation, it seals better.
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice.
Benjamin Moore.
Benjamin Moore. What would we do without their paint colors?
I don't know what we would do without their pink colors.
This
is where I'm doing my
pretty
book
cool.
signing.
Is it? Okay.
Yes. Doesn't it look like a light?
Yeah. It's
That
great.
is very cool. What is this? Color
this
color
is their
trends of
color wall.
2019.
Yeah, I know these are their colors. Well, I still love Decorator's White. This is a good way of doing it, don't you think?
Well, now you can order like the full page.
Yeah.
So you don't have to have your painter make a sample
Yeah.
for you. You can just
It's
roll that
nice.
up and tape them to the wall.
Pretty
and every
nice.
time I pick colors, I always pick 2 or 3 options. So I need big
Of
samples
course you
on the
do.
wall.
And we used to paint boards all the time, but
Exactly.
having these, beautiful. I have this in my basement. I love it.
Do you?
Ooh, Brian.
Look
This
at
is
that.
you.
An electric? No, I have to
Electric.
have the real fire.
Fire. First show. This is cool.
Yes.
Does it make you feel like you're at camp? Did you go to camp?
Once.
One day. You lasted one day?
Once. And I spent my whole time in arts and crafts.
Very cool.
Look at these.
This is cool.
Rechargeable lights. Isn't that beautiful?
This is a booth that deserves an award.
Isn't this beautiful?
Gorgeous.
This is your colors, right?
Yes. I love it. It's a classic, a modern classic.
It's beautiful. This
And it
feels thicker.
changes.
This one feels thicker.
It is.
It's beautiful.
And then the mixture of the silks
And
and the
this is
viscoses and the
textured.
tencels.
I even like the back.
It's so funny that you said that. I was just going to say sometimes I like
I've
the
done
back
that.
more than the front.
I've done that.
Absolutely.
I've flipped rugs.
What's the front look like?
It's
Okay,
nice.
I love the back. We love the
We
back.
happen to like the back. So you can have a carport or you can have a sunroom and it opens and closes.
So it could be a
It's
pergola or a
louvers.
garage. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
It's cool. It's
That's
very cool.
Look at that. It's all manual, so there's nothing to
Okay,
break.
that's cool. I like their tile.
Look at that brochure.
You know, Yeah, they have Ansaks. And
Oh, they carry Ansaks? I love Ansaks.
Yeah.
It's such beautiful tile. This is interesting, the mix of metals
is really
and
interesting.
stone. The quality of the craftsmanship
Yeah.
can make or break the product.
Gorgeous.
And all the vintage looking tiles.
Yeah, beautiful.
Look at this one. That
It's
handmade
like
look.
scales,
Isn't that
fish
beautiful?
scales. Love it. Did you see? But
This
they're not
is
going to give it to you unless you give them your name and your email address.
I think you've got it. That velvet and all the movement. When you look at this, it looks like malachite.
Yeah, it does.
When you swish it all around like that.
Cool. This is good. The tile company, Sarah Gray.
Yes,
Love
look at that.
them.
I love that tile that's
Love
in the booth.
them. Let's check this out.
Okay, that is gorgeous. What a great
Beautiful.
display with the garden equipment and everything.
Beautiful.
I love the way they've laid this.
Yes. Isn't this great?
I'd love to do a whole laundry room,
Well
tiled
done.
floor to ceiling,
Yes.
wall to wall in that.
Really well done, don't you think?
Yes, beautiful, beautiful display. Because you never think of tiles being
No.
outside, and I just love the whole
great.
look of this.
It's like a little potting shed.
Yes, and we're using porcelain tiles outside. As long as you have a concrete base, like a balcony or a concrete patio,
It's fine.
Porcelain is fantastic. It's a problem when we're spending so much time on the accessories.
I know. But if I had this, I wouldn't allow anyone to pot anything.
Just
Do
leave
not
it
get it
like
dirty.
this.
Oh, now we're in the kitchen.
Look at those scallop tiles. Very
Lovely.
cool.
You know, so there, and we're talking about that, right? About
Yes.
channeling.
Exactly. Love it.
It's ribbed.
And this is what we do all the time. This is the way I keep my water in the fridge.
Is it?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I have bottles like this in the fridge.
Beautiful.
That's the one thing I have
this
to
is what
have.
you wanted, the
is I have
wagon.
to have a light interior
Yeah, me too.
because I love a light interior.
Yeah, I like natural leather too. Oh,
Look at this.
Pretty nice.
I want that in my kitchen.
No, you already have five
want
sinks.
that. I want
five
that.
sink designs.
Look at this.
Steam? No way. How did you know that?
Because I'm putting one in New York. Is that not the best?
Inside your house?
Yeah.
Inside your condo?
Yeah. Instead of electric, if you don't have gas.
Come on.
I saw this at Sotheby's, and they had a display of a vintage, like an antique fireplace for the auction. And I'm looking, and I said, "How are they doing that? Because there's no chimney. We're in Sotheby's." And the security guard, he says, "Stick your hand in there." And doesn't that
Okay,
look like
that's
flames?
Kind of amazing.
Okay, look
Now
at
that we're
this.
here.
A non-black
That's nice.
cooktop.
This is nice. This is pretty interesting too because look, there's the exhaust.
Yes, this is great.
Yeah.
Especially if you're on an island to have the downdraft.
On an
does this
island?
go?
You're on an island?
Yeah, if you do on an island, so you don't want the thing hanging above your head.
Oh, I thought you meant an island up in Muskoka.
Where's your head? We're the design show.
I don't know.
You're already on
Well, you
vacation.
were talking about your cottage
No,
that
we're
you're
not
building.
going to an island. If we were doing an island, instead of having the big fan blower over, God love you.
I know.
God love you. But we're
Like,
not a
it would be
Mystique.
like-
We're not a Mystique.
You know what I like about these ovens? You can see what's going on. You can see your chicken rotisserie.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful oven with the clear
Beautiful.
glass and everything.
Have to keep it very clean. Wow, that's
a
a
lot
big
of fridge
fridge. This
freezer.
is for a lot of kids.
Or a lot of entertaining.
A lot of entertaining. Very nice. Urban barn.
There's one of the trends. Look at that headboard.
Yes,
Channels.
I like it when they set the table. This is the first table we've seen set.
Yes. They've set the
They
table.
brought the
They're
beach to the table.
They're ready for dinner. This floor is very cushy.
It is.
Cushy wood.
Why is it cushy?
What is that?
I don't know.
I want to know what this is. This looks comfy. I want to try this. Lynda, we will
It's
not
cushy.
be getting up. And I love collections of tables, like
Yeah,
just
it's good.
nesting tables
Nice.
together. Very comfy.
There's lots of comfy places to sit at this show.
This is the show if you want to sit down.
So we've just walked the show. Lots of great stuff.
Lots of great ideas, lots of great trends.
But you have to come back Sunday.
I'm coming back Sunday because we're speaking on the main stage. I
Yes,
can't wait.
at noon. House and Home Sunday. See you then.